There are 12 AI tools by Google that most people are still sleeping on. And let me tell you, some of them are actually so insane that it can reduce your efforts and time to almost half and might even help you make some money, only if you use a strategic approach. In order to make things easier for you, I have arranged them in the timestamps according to your needs, such as day-to-day productivity tools, tools for developers, content creators, and so on. So you can just jump onto that section and save your time. See, even I'm helping you in time saving, so I guess I deserve a sub from you. So the first things we are going to talk about are the AI tools for day-to-day productivity. And the first tool is Google AI Studio. And unlike most of the creators out there, I'm not gonna repeat the same stuff such as this is the workshop where you can quickly build things on top of Gemini, turn your AI idea into real thing that works. Nope. The interesting feature I'm gonna talk about here is real-time streaming. This is the ultimate game changer. Basically, what you can do here is you can share the screen with Gemini in real time and ask it questions based on that either in the chat form or using your microphone. With Project Mariner, we will talk about that later by the way. The AI processes what it sees and hears from your camera and microphone and gives you contextually relevant information instantly. It's like working with your own assistant by your side. Talking about assistants, the next tool we have can be your actual intern when it comes to research and reports. This tool is NotebookLM. If I were to describe it in one sentence, I would say that it is a tool that turns your files, PDF or data into a smart chatbot. You just need to upload your resource in this tool and then it will respond to you only based on the data you have provided, making its answers more grounded to the actual topic. You can generate flashcards, audio overview, mind maps, reports, video overview or quiz, and all of that will be based only on the knowledge that you have provided. For example, you can give it a PDF of a book that's taking so long for you to finish. Just upload it here and generate either audio summary, flashcards, or even short summary video. You can then upload that video or audio on platforms like YouTube and Spotify and generate cash out of it. Well, I made a report on Gary Vee's communication skills and uploaded that PDF on this tool and asked for a video overview. And it actually provided me with a 5-minute video. And yes, it had voice too. See for yourself.
So you know the voice. Gary Vaynerchuk. He's pretty much one of the most recognizable and yet, let's be honest, polarizing voices in business today. We're going to deconstruct his whole communication style, the very thing that built his massive empire. And this quote right here, it really just sets the whole stage.
I will pin the link to the complete video below in the description, and while you will be scrolling down there, you will see a subscribe button. See if you can click that or not, and do me a favor, do that only once if you haven't already. Gemini is the last tool on this list, but it's not the chatbot I'm going to talk about here. Everyone knows about that. Just like ChatGPT allows you to create custom GPTs that can be tailored to your needs and customize them to answer in a specific way, Google has this feature called Gems. Well, OpenAI charges $20 a month for this, but you can create your own personalized gem in Gemini for absolutely free. With Gems, you can skip the part where you tell the AI who it is or how to answer. Each gem you create will have a persona and a rulebook of its own. And let me know in the comments if you want a dedicated video on how to use Google Gems in its full potential. Now let's move towards the next section of this video, which are AI tools for developers. And let's talk about Opal first. It is an amazing no-code application builder where you can build apps using just simple descriptions. To keep your expectations in check, let me be clear that it's not gonna build another DoorDash for you. Opal is a great tool for creating mini web applications. All the applications will be hosted on Google's environment and you will get a shareable link to access your application. It is a great tool to create prototypes or testing your product market fit. When introducing a new feature or if you have a different idea and you want to test its feasibility in the market, Opal is the go-to choice. So yesterday I was talking to one of my developer friend and he stated that most developers resent the backend part of an application or web app. That's where Google's Firebase comes in. It handles the boring backend stuff like user accounts, database, and bug reporting so developers can focus on the app itself. You can call it BaaS, backend as a service. Alright, I'll never do that again. Next tool on the list is GenKit, which is basically an open source framework built to design and manage complex workflows. The reason this tool is amazing is because this helps the users connect their apps with AI models, and all the tedious work are handled by GenKit. And the best thing is you can connect your apps with any AI models such as Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT. Yes, this thing doesn't discriminate. So the next section is all about creating content and filmmaking. And the tools we are going to talk about here are going to be a great help to content creators or to those who aspire to be one. The first tool we are going to talk about is Google Veo. And at the time of making this video, the latest Veo model available is Veo 3.1. And if you are from the future, let me know in the comments the latest Google Veo model out there. Well, Google Veo is Google's top video making model. You can access Veo via Gemini or in Flow. Let me tell you what Flow is. Google Flow is like an extended version of Veo, or at least what I call it. Veo allows you to create amazing video clips, but with Flow, you can create amazing long form videos. It is a great tool for creating cinematic visual stories and not just short clips. Basically, you first create a shorter clip by giving in the prompt, and then you can add that to the seed and extend it by prompting in different scenes. And the next tool is Google Whisk, which is basically for remixing different styles, images, or ideas. This tool is great for designers and artists as you can brainstorm different style or arts at one place. No more pondering hours over your next masterpiece. And finally, there's Nano Banana. And yes, I know this isn't something unknown to you, everyone knows about it, but every time I use this tool, it just amazes me to the next level. The level of consistency and the output this provides is too hard to ignore, so I guess this really deserves to be on this list, even if you know about it. Now, these two models are not actual tools, but they are basically projects by Google, which is Project Mariner and Project Astra. So Project Astra is basically a very powerful AI assistant that can hear the world around you and chat with you in real time, offering instant advice and suggestions. And yes, this is the same thing as we discussed in the Stream Real-Time feature of Google AI Studio. And Project Mariner is basically an AI agent by Google that will handle small tasks for you and help you automate most of your work like searching flight tickets, filling out long forms, etc. etc. These two projects are currently being used by other Google technologies and tools and are only available for testing. Hopefully, Google will release them for public soon. Now let's have a quick recap of everything we have discussed so far. For research and studies, NotebookLM, share your screen and do the tasks while AI help you out, Google AI Studio. Free personalized custom chatbots, Gemini. Build mini AI apps, Google Opal. Let the AI handle all the backend tasks, Firebase. Connect AI models to your applications, GenKit. Create amazing AI video clips, Google Veo 3.1. Convert those clips into full-blown story or movie, Flow. Remix different styles or arts, Whisk. Free image generation with great details, Nano Banana. Google's AI assistant technology, Project Astra, Google's AI agents technology, Project Mariner, and to know more about such amazing AI tools, Automation Sensei. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.